Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website with Cloudflare, full guide step by step clearly. Creating an account on Cloudflare is the first step in protecting your website. Visit the Cloudflare website and click on sign up. Enter your email address and create a password. After signing up, you will be prompted to add your website. Type in your website's URL and click on add site. Next, select a plan that fits your needs. You can start with the free plan, which offers essential features. Cloudflare will now scan your domain for existing DNS records. Review the DNS records to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, continue to the next step. Now, you'll need to change your name servers to those provided by Cloudflare. Access your domain registrar's website. Locate the DNS settings for your domain. Replace your current name servers with the ones given by Cloudflare. Save your changes, which may take a little time to propagate. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard and click Done, check name servers. Once Cloudflare detects the name server change, setup will progress. You can now configure various security features. Start with the firewall settings to manage traffic to your site. Add rules to block suspicious IP addresses or allow trusted ones. Next, enable the Web Application Firewall for enhanced security. This helps protect against common vulnerabilities and attacks. Check the SSL/TLS settings to ensure your site is secure. Select the preferred SSL mode, such as full or flexible. Now, navigate to the Speed tab to optimize your site's performance. Enable features like Auto Minify and Rocket Loader. These will improve load times and user experience. Adjust the caching level to suit your needs. Next, go to the Analytics section for insights on your site's traffic. This data can help you understand visitor behavior. Lastly, set up any necessary email. With these steps completed, your website is now protected with Cloudflare. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.